Meaning of lazy eye.
Lazy eye.
Lazy eye.
Lazy eye.
Lazy eye. Lazy eye is a colloquial term for a condition called amblyopia. It is a vision disorder that occurs when one or both eyes do not develop normal vision during early childhood. This can happen when there is a significant difference in refractive error, prescription, between the two eyes, or when there is a physical obstruction to clear vision in one eye. When left untreated, the brain will begin to ignore the information coming from the lazy eye and rely solely on the visual input from the other eye. This can result in poor depth perception and reduced visual acuity in the affected eye, which can lead to long-term vision problems if not addressed early on.